Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make beans usili. Usili is a crumpled dal which combines with vegetables and gives us a delicious poriyal. We can make usili with beans, cluster beans, banana flour and so on. Come, let's go into the video. Fennel seeds 2 tablespoons. Red chilli according to your spiciness. 100 grams of tuvar dal, cooking oil, few small onions, curry leaf, salt, asafoetida, mustard seeds and broken urud dal, 250 grams of chopped beans. Soak the dal for minimum 1 to 2 hours. See, this is swelled tuvar dal. Instead of tuvar dal, you can even use chana dal also. Now drain the excess tuvar dal water. You can use it for cooking. In a mixer jar, add soaked tuvar dal, fennel seeds, red chilli. Add salt. Grind it roughly and not as very paste. See, in this consistency you have to grind. Now steam cook the grinded dals. Close it with the lid. Allow it to steam for minimum 10 minutes. So now the dals are steamed very well. Transfer into a plate. Allow it to warm. To break the dumplings of dal, again put it in the mixie. Just press the reverse button of blade, all the dals will break. Again it will become crumpled. Now on the stove, pour 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Once it gets heated, season it with mustard seed, broken urud dal, asafoetida. Add finely chopped small onions. Saute it well. Add the curry leaves. Add the chopped beans. Saute it well. Add required amount of salt. Keep it in sim. Close it with a lid till the vegetable gets cooked. So after vegetable gets cooked, now add the crumpled dal. Saute it nicely. At least keep it for 10 minutes to get cooked. Now beans usili is ready.